Lesson 8-6, Divide Fractions by Fractions. And by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to divide a fraction by a fraction. So make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pencil ready so you can take notes and work right along with me. To divide a fraction by a fraction, first multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor, then simplify using the GCF where possible, then multiply the numerators and denominators, and last, rename the product as a whole or mixed number when needed. Let's take a look at that using the numbers. We have 3/4 divided by 1/16. So we need to keep the 3/4 the same, so that would be 3/4. Then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/16. So that would be 16 over 1. And then we need to see if we can cross out any of these, which we can. We have the 4 and the 16, so that goes in there 1 time and 4. Then we just multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12 over 1, which equals just 12. So remember, when you're dividing by fractions, after you do the reciprocal of the second number, make sure you're always doing the second number, it's going to be just the same as multiplying by fractions. The only thing different, remember, is to make the reciprocal of this second number. So we have 7/20 times 5 over 1. Now we just multiply like we typically would, and I can cross out this 5 and 20. That would be 1 and 4. So 7/4, which equals 1 and 3/4. All right, I want you to try 11/14 divided by 11/12. See what you get and come back and check it. So I have 11/14, then I do multiply by my reciprocal, 12 over 11. I can cross out these 11s and make them 1s. The 12 and the 14, I can have 2 go in there 6 times and 2 go in here 7 times. So 6 times 1 is 6, 7 times 1 is 7. So my final answer for that would be 6/7. Let's try one last one. Work out 3/7 divided by 1/14 and come back and check against my work. So we have 3/7 times 1/14 would be 3/7 times 14 over 1. I can cross cancel this 7 and 14, 1 and 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1, and that equals 6. Right? Make sure you rewatch any part of the video and review any part of your notes you need to as you work on today's lesson.